Okay, here we have the 500-gallon trailer. There's a 2-inch 50mm ball on it. It's removable. The jockey wheel has a large area for wood box, whatever you want to call it. And inside we have the removable plates, reverse flow plates. These are 3/16 thick steel plates here, and you can pull them out when you want. And so it's full reverse flow. The part in the center is actually fixed, but the front and back plates pull out for easy cleaning. The grates has 6 grates. They're about 95 centimeters across, 95 by 95, and the smaller ones 95 by 76. So you have 6 grates on it. They pull it in and out easily. There you go, large cooking area. You can flip them upside down if you want an extra room. Has a latch to hold the doors open. They're heavy, the doors. And they just close like that. The chimney stack. There's a couple little nuts that hold it. And folds down. Just like that. For on the road. Adjustable thermometers. Those are 15-inch wheels, 235 75 15s, good quality tyres, Ford 15-inch, and they're 5 by 139, so it's F100 Ford. That's a big stud pattern. They're rated for over 1,500 kilos. The whole trailer weighs about 1,200 kilos, between 1,100 and 1,200 kilos. It's 1/4-inch steel. The whole thing is made out of 1/4-inch steel. The firebox is also 1/4-inch steel and has a 3/16 hot plate on it. There's actually structure underneath here that stop it buckling and things, but this hot plate's probably 55 by 75 hot plate. It works very good. Doesn't get hot enough to boil water with a pot on there, but for frying onions or things like that, no problem. Heating bread, no problem. Has a super heavy duty grate. That's 1-inch steel, reinforced steel, and the bumper is removable because all of this is hot, so it's easiest. Takes about 1 minute to remove the bumper, and it just clips on here. Has a deflector to regulate the air. So when you're going down the road, you just clip the bumper on and away you go. Those are stainless. The fenders are stainless, so they don't rust with all the, especially on the other side, with all the salt and the meat and fat on them. Chassis, 100mm 100mm U chassis on this. A very solid chassis. The trailer's registered and warranted. I can get a warrant on it, no problem. And so it's complete, ready to go.